Hi, this is John from Zoook, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Zoook ZB Rocker M2-Mean machine speaker. If you love the party and party hard, everything about you should reflect your style. That's why Zoook has designed and engineered the ZB Rocker M2-Mean machine speaker. These speakers can take up a beating. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor environments, you will be pumping deep thumping bass unlike ever before. The high-fidelity sound that leaps from the speakers of the Rocker M2 is powered by cutting-edge Bluetooth technology, so you can play music from any of your devices. The speaker sports a massive 10-watt 3-inch subwoofer, which has a serious banging punch all from this tight and compact speaker. Simply put, it looks as good as it sounds. Best of all, you can play music from your Bluetooth device or USB flash disk or a micro SD card with a ZB Rocker M2-Mean machine speaker, and never be separated from friends and family at the same time. The built-in microphone, onboard controls, and hands-free system allows you to answer calls with ease even if you're away from your phone. The aux-in feature keeps your non-Bluetooth devices in the game. And when you're done trouncing around with this beast of a speaker, simply use the shoulder strap to throw your speaker over your back and carry it around in style. Its 3000 mAh monster battery size ensures the speaker lasts your party night. If you're looking to party, try the ZB Rocker M2-Mean machine speaker today. I guarantee you will love it.